Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to climb K2. Calculate a baseline budget first and track each category carefully. Start by listing permit fees, guide packages, flight and ground transport, gear purchases, and insurance. Expect variations based on team size, support level, and route difficulty. I'll walk you through practical estimates, ways to reduce costs safely, and what expenses you should never skimp on for high-altitude safety. Estimate major expense categories early so you can prioritize spending and avoid last-minute risks. Break down costs into permits and fees, professional guides and support, travel and transport, high-altitude gear, food and fuel, and insurance. Know that guide packages range widely depending on inclusions like fixed ropes or oxygen. I'll show sample ranges for each category and practical tips to balance safety with budget when planning a K2 expedition. Trim costs without compromising safety by sharing logistics and negotiating transparent contracts with operators. Consider renting rarely used items like radios or pulk sleds, and prioritize buying personal items such as boots and suits. Ask for detailed itineraries and included services to avoid hidden fees. I'll highlight realistic saving strategies, red flags when comparing offers, and how to create a contingency fund for unexpected expenses during a K2 expedition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.